Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to share your furniture catalog PDF on WhatsApp. So let's take an example that you are a furniture shop owner and you have created an enquiry form in your paper form. Now, whenever a customer approaches you for inquiring about any furniture, you ask them to fill in a paper form for your records and send them the furniture catalog to them. Now, you want that whenever you receive a response in your paper form, a furniture catalog should be sent to the customers on their WhatsApp number. For doing this, you have two options. First, do it manually. Take the details of your customers from paper form, compose a message in WhatsApp, attach the furniture catalog and send the message to your customers. So this will be a time consuming and a tiresome process, and it becomes quite difficult if you have large number of customers. The second option is you can create an automation so that whenever a new form is submitted, you receive the details into a new form, automatically a message along with the furniture catalog is sent to the customers. But here there is one problem, that there is no direct connection between paper form and WhatsApp. So how to do this? Here we are going to use Pabbly Connect as a solution. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating paper form with WhatsApp automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can do this very easily. Here we are using paper form software application for collecting the form responses. In place of paper form, we can use JotForms, Pabbly Form Builder, Google Forms or any other form building application. Okay, any application can be used over here. So let us check this in the real time. So this is my paper form which I have created, Woodhouse Furniture. Please fill this form to get the catalog of furniture on your WhatsApp. So I want that whenever a customer fill this form, automatically this catalog which is saved into my Google Drive, it should be shared on the WhatsApp number of the customer over here. Okay, so let us fill this form first. I'll just give the name as Adam Smith. I'll give the mobile number over here. And let's give the email address as adamsmith25@gmail.com and let us click on submit. Submission successful. Check your WhatsApp for furniture catalog and we can see one message is displayed in WhatsApp. Hello Adam Smith, thank you for showing your interest in Woodhouse Furniture. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message where you can find all the services which we offer in our furniture shop. Link is there. For more details, you can visit our website. The website name is mentioned. Note, please save this number in your contacts to make the above link clickable. Thank you. Regards, Woodhouse Furniture. So here, let's click on this link first and check what is shared. And here we can see Woodhouse underscore catalog. A furniture catalog is shared with the customer. Okay, this is getting loaded. Okay, yes, here we can see a furniture catalog is shared. So here you might be wondering that I just filled a paper form over here and automatically a message along with the link of this particular catalog, this catalog is sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. So how did I manage to send this? So let me tell you, I have done this in just 3 simple steps and anyone can do this very easily. So let me show you my steps now. Step 1. Connect Pabbly Connect to paper form with the help of webhook URL. So first we have to go to Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect will offer us a webhook URL. By using that webhook URL, we have to create an integration between paper form and Pabbly Connect. Step 2. Collect the new form response from paper form in Pabbly Connect. So at step 2, Pabbly Connect is going to capture the data from paper form and it will collect the response, whatever we have received in paper form. Step 3. Send the same data to 360 dialog for sending messages on WhatsApp. So whatever the data Pabbly Connect has captured from paper form, the same data will be sent to the 360 dialog and a WhatsApp message will be sent to the customers. So in this way, we are going to create an integration between paper form and WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect. So let us learn the integration process now. For this, let us type pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Here, as you're the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option. You can create your own account in just 2 minutes by clicking on this option. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll just click on sign in. In the all apps section, scroll down, come to Pabbly Connect and click on access now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here, come to this plus sign and click on create workflow. Here we have to give the workflow name. So I have given the workflow name as send furniture catalog to customers on WhatsApp. Okay. And you can give the workflow name as per your requirement. I'll just click on create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So you might be thinking, what is this trigger? What is this action? So let me tell you, Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want that whenever a customer fills the form, the paper form, automatically a furniture catalog should be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. So in the trigger application, we are going to select paper form. Let us select paper form. Here in the trigger event, we have to select new form submission. Here we can see a webhook URL and let's read the instructions also given. Just log into your paper form account, edit the form. After submission option, webhook and paste the above URL there. So first we have to go to paper form account and then we have to edit the form. So I'll just take you to my paper form account. This is the dashboard of paper form. Here I have already created so many forms. I'll just open this Woodhouse paper form which I have created for collecting the responses from the customers. I'll just click on edit. Here you can see Woodhouse furniture. Please fill this form to get the catalog of furniture on your WhatsApp. Here I have asked for the name, mobile number and email of the customer. So here we have to go to after submission option and let's click on integrations and webhooks. Now here direct integrations, webhooks and Zapier, 3 options are available. I'll just click on webhooks. Here it is asking for a webhook URL. We'll just go to Pabbly Connect. Simply copy this webhook URL from here. Go to the paper form once again and just paste the webhook URL over here. Okay, and now click on add webhook. And here we can see the webhook is added. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect and here we can see that Pabbly Connect is waiting for the webhook response because there is no entry over there. So let's go to the form first, that paper form, and we have to create an entry over here. I'll just give the name as Shikha Arya. I'll just give the mobile number over here. And let's give the email address also as shikhaarya25@gmail.com. Okay, and let's click on submit. Submission successful. Check your WhatsApp for furniture catalog. And now let's go to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see response received. And here the name of the customer, that is Shikha Arya, her mobile number, her email address, form ID, submission ID, created at the date and time, all the details related to the form are captured over here. Okay. Now we want to send a furniture catalog to Shikha Arya. Okay. So I'll just scroll down, come to this action window and here we are going to select the application name as 360 dialog. Here in the action event, we have to select send template message. Now let's click on connect. Here we have to click on add new connection. Here it is asking for the API key and domain. So let us read the instructions. Enter API key here. You can create API key in your 360 dialog account. Log into your 360 dialog account. Move to WhatsApp account page from the left sidebar and click on generate API key button. So I'll take you to my 360 dialog account. I'll just open it. So this is the 360 dialog dashboard. I have added the link of 360 dialog in the description box. By clicking on that link, you can reach to 360 Dialog application and get 360 Dialog service at a very affordable price. Okay. Now here, let's go to WhatsApp accounts. I'll just click on this, and here we can see generate API key option. Click on generate API key and generate API key over here. I'm not going to click this option just because I have already generated the API key. So once a API key is generated, we can use the same API key for different workflows. Okay, we don't have to generate every time. The same API can be used many times. So I'll just go back to Pabbly Connect and I will paste the API key over here, and you please paste the API key which you have generated. Now let's read the domain. Enter the domain here which you will get while generating the API key. An example is given, https://web. I'll just copy this example and I will paste it over here. So whenever our account is approved, we get this domain name by default. If you get some other domain name, you have to paste that domain name over here. In my case, I have received the same domain name, so I have just pasted it over here. Okay. After clicking API key and domain, just click on save. I'm not going to add a new connection now because I already have an existing connection and I'm using the same connection. In your case, you have to create a new connection. Please paste API key and domain and then click on save. I'll just click on choose existing connection and I'll just save it. And now 360 Dialog account is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here it is asking for the template. So let me tell you what is a template. Template is simply a message that we want to send on the WhatsApp number of the customer. So you cannot directly send messages to anyone on WhatsApp. First, we have to create a template and then only you will be able to send the template messages on WhatsApp. So that is the reason we have to choose a specific template for sending the messages over here. Okay, I'll just take you to my 360 Dialog account once again. And here, let's click on Manage Templates option. Now here, you can find I have created so many templates and got it approved. If you want to create a new template, just click on this plus button, Add Template, and you can create a new template. I'll just select the template which I'll be using for this particular workflow. I'll just go down and I'll select send_brochure_final. This is the template which I'm going to use. Here, I have asked hello. The first parameter will be the name of the customer. Name is going to reflect over here. Thank you for showing your interest in. Here the furniture shop name is going to reflect. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message where you can find all the services which we offer in our. Here again the shop name is going to come, furniture shop. Here we can attach the catalog link, or if you have some other details, the link can be attached over here. For more details, you can visit our website. Here we can place the website address. Note, please save this number in your contacts to make the above link clickable. Thank you, regards, and here again the furniture shop name is going to reflect. Okay, so we are going to use this particular template, send_brochure_final. Let us go to Pabbly Connect, and here we are going to select the same template. This one. Now here we can see the namespace is automatically captured and even the language code, that is English, is also captured. So we are not going to change anything over here. Now here we have to give recipient mobile number. So mobile number of the customer is going to come over here. This mobile number we are going to map. I'll just go down and here in the mobile number, I'll just give from paper form. I will select the mobile number. Okay. Now we have to, we can read the instruction also. Enter the recipient mobile number with country code. So here as we are in India, example is given +91 and then the mobile number is mentioned. So I'll just add +91 before the mobile number. You have to paste your country code over here before the number. Okay. Now body field 1, example Heather Ali. Here we have to give the name of the particular customer, which will reflect in the WhatsApp and message. So here template is also requiring the name hello-1. One will be the name. So here let us map the name. That was Shikha Arya. This one. The second parameter is body field 2. Example is given Pabbly Connect. Here in our template also, thank you for showing your interest in. So in our case, the furniture shop name is going to reflect. I'll just take you to my form. Here the name is Woodhouse Furniture. We have to paste this name over here in the second parameter. The third parameter says body field 3, example software. Let us read the template once again. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached this with the message, where you can find all the services which we offer in our, here we can write as furniture shop. Okay, so I'll just write manually over here, furniture shop. Okay, the next parameter says body field 4, and here the example is given that we have to paste a link. I'll just go to the template, and here also the link is required. So I have just pasted the catalog in my Google Drive. This catalog is there. I'll just click, make a right click over here, and we'll go to the share option. And here we can see get link option and the copy link option is there. I'll simply click on copy link and link is copied. I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I'll just paste the link over here. Okay. Now body field 5, example www.pabbly.com. So here we have to give the website address. Here also for more details you can visit our website. We have to give the website address. So here let us give the website address as www.woodhousebhopal.com. Okay. Now body field 6, example is given Pabbly, that is the name of the company, and here in our case we require the furniture shop name. Thank you, regards, and here the furniture shop name is going to come. So in Pabbly Connect I'll just type the furniture shop name once again in body field 6 also. Okay, you can type it manually also, and let's click on save and send test request. Here the response is received. And let's check the WhatsApp of the customer whether he has received any message or not. I'll just go to WhatsApp. I'll refresh this page. And here we can see a new message. Hello Shikha Arya. Thank you for showing your interest in Woodhouse Furniture. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message, where you can find all the services which we offer in our furniture shop. Link is given. For more details, you can visit our website. Website name is mentioned. Note, please save this number in your contacts to make the above link clickable. Thank you. Regards, Woodhouse Furniture. Okay. So, the correct message is displayed to Shikha Arya. Here the name is reflecting, the first parameter. The second parameter we have given is Woodhouse Furniture, it is reflecting. Here we have given the third parameter, that is furniture shop. After that we have given the link. We have also given the website address. And at last we have given the furniture, the name of the furniture shop, that is Woodhouse Furniture. Now let us click on this link and check whether this link is working or not. So yes, here we can see a furniture catalog is Woodhouse furniture catalog is shared with the customer. Okay, it is correct. Now let's move to Pabbly Connect. I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So in this use case, we want that whenever a customer fills the enquiry form in the paper form, automatically he should receive a WhatsApp message along with the furniture catalog on his WhatsApp number. So in this way, we have created a successful integration between paper form and WhatsApp account using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business using Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. If you want to clone the same workflow, you can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.